Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to link a debit card to your Cash app so you can transfer money into your account. First, open Cash app on your phone. It's free to download on any device. On the home screen, tap your balance in the bottom left corner, even if it says $0. On the next page, tap Link Account, then choose Link Debit Card. If you already have a card linked, you'll need to remove it first before adding a new one. Now, enter your 16-digit debit card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVC code on the back, and your billing zip code. When you're done, tap Add Card, and your debit card will now appear under your linked accounts. You can also add a credit card or bank account if you'd like. Once your debit card is linked, go back to the home screen, tap Add Cash, enter an amount, and transfer money from your bank into your Cash App balance instantly. And that's it, quick and easy. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cash App tips.